Are AI-related layoffs increasing in 2026, and why? The surprising truth might change how you see the future of work and technology. In 2026, AI-related layoffs are indeed on the rise. Many companies are investing heavily in automation technologies that replace routine jobs, especially in customer service, manufacturing, and data processing. While this shift can improve efficiency and reduce costs, it also leads to significant workforce disruptions. The trend is not uniform everywhere, but is especially pronounced in industries where repetitive tasks can be automated easily. The main reason behind the increase in AI-related layoffs is cost reduction. AI systems can perform many tasks faster, more accurately, and at a lower cost than humans. This makes companies eager to adopt AI to stay competitive. However, this also means certain roles become redundant, particularly those centered around repetitive or predictable tasks. The push for innovation combined with economic pressures accelerates these layoffs. Industries like customer support, manufacturing, and retail experience the highest rates of AI-driven layoffs. These sectors rely heavily on repetitive tasks that AI can handle. Meanwhile, jobs requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, or complex decision-making remain safer for now. This creates a growing divide in the workforce, as certain roles become obsolete while others evolve alongside AI. While AI causes layoffs, it also creates new job opportunities in AI development, maintenance, and oversight. The key for workers is reskilling and adapting to new roles that leverage AI. Governments and companies are investing in training programs to ease this transition, aiming to prepare the workforce for a future where humans and AI collaborate closely. AI-related layoffs are increasing in 2026 because automation replaces many routine jobs, especially in certain industries. But this shift also brings new opportunities for those who adapt and reskill. Understanding this trend helps you prepare for the changing world of work. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.